Good morning, it's 6:30 on a Thursday morning. It's day 505 of Raising Energy with WCT. And my computer this morning has decided to update itself without asking. All your files are exactly where you left them. Well, I should hope so. I think you just upgraded to Windows 10, which I haven't wanted to do. Oh well. Outside today, a bit rainy, a bit cold. 20 minutes will open our live space. Let's hope my computer's working by then. Well, apparently they've got some new features to get excited about. I hope so. So our live space should have opened up 15 minutes ago, and that's what my computer screen looks like right now. We haven't moved your files, Carol, but we can't get in to see them. So we've got a second computer going up because we set this space up with 20 minutes to spare, and that's 15 minutes of it gone. We're meant to be stretching in 4 minutes. Let's see if we can get one of these. Oh look, it's a blue screen. It tells you the date. Look, it says 3 minutes. Can we do it? Can we do it? We're up and running. 5 minutes late. Let's go. We're catching up with ourselves. I hear a Gemma. I think it's a Gemma. We're about to do our fitness challenge. That was our stretching. She going next. Alright, we've caught back up with ourselves. It's time to do some key stretching. So awesome, we've caught up with ourselves. We've done everything we need to do. We've done our stretching, our workout, we've done our energy raising practice. That's what it was. We just did there. And then it was just then it was time to dance. We'll see you then. Good morning, everybody. Hello and happy Thursday. We are the 19th of May. It is day 505 of Raising Energy with us, the WCT. Thank you for joining us live today. We appreciate it. Raise some energy with us every single day, Monday to Friday in May at 8:05. All right, check the links in the description box below.
Thank you again.
Check out the links in the description box below. Alright, remember to click like if you like this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of this. And leave a friendly comment because we'd like to say hi back. Alright, dance this today. Come on, buddy, give it your best moves. You missed the end of our dance there. Where did you go for that? Bodie knocked you off. You went off. It's all good. We danced. It was wonderful. It's live. It's already online. Check it out. Can't stop the feeling, day 505. Bodie's trying to get Gemma to dress up like Anna, but Gemma can't dress up like Anna because Gemma's got to go straight into school when she gets there.
I'll be little sister and Mummy be big sister Elsa with the school uniform on.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Now, my big sister Elsa is going to school. Thank you, Mummy.
So you're very welcome. Right, let's get some shoes on you.
Okay, Mummy.
Did a good job brushing your hair there, Gemma.
Mummy, I'm going.
You're going.
Yeah.
Whoop! Where are you going? Love you. See you later. Off they scoot to school. I think they're even on time this morning. Have fun, Gemma.
Buddy has found a snail.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
There's a snail.
Look at that. Hello, snail.
Hello. Snail can get here as well. And that is a slime.
Well, yeah.
We don't want to even touch that. But only elves meant to touch that.
Only elves?
There.
Yeah, only elves are meant to touch snails. You're quite right.
But not fairies.
No.
All people.
Or people. Better so that's just to get on with it.
Oh, it's going this way. There's something to me.
Hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully he makes it to where he's going nice and safely.
Into the camera. Hey,
Say hello for the camera.
He's waving with his ear.
He's waving with his ears. Alright, let's leave Mr. Snail or Mrs. Snail, one of the two, to get on with it. Alright?
He's a girl.
You think he's a girl?
Yeah.
It's very progressive of you, buddy. I see.
Thank you very much. Emma the elephant.
Get into the house. But first this is raining. We need to keep the roof. Hey, get into the top so we can nice and safe on the bed.
It's a good idea. It is a bit miserable out there today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very rainy. I'm just out of the shower. Bodie's playing doll houses. It's raining. I need to go down and make some food, but let's have a bit of doll's house fun first.
Survey and heaven. Get inside, please. Hey. There's a muddy puddle outside.
Outside.
Wait, come out.
Oh, jump up in the muddy puddle.
I can
That's a
move.
super high jump. I can't jump that high.
Try.
I'm an elephant.
Wait. I think you can jump that.
You think I can jump? Whoa!
You can jump that high.
We need a special body power. Is it a special body juice?
There.
Yeah. There we go. Look, everybody's in. And the house is looking good.
Oh,
Is it looking good?
elephant. See my set there. Oh, the batteries are going to home. Bye. They're going home.
They're going away now. Bye bye, visitors.
No, we need to go to the
Oh, hold on.
Bye. Oh, where's the
Wow,
car?
they're looking very clean now. They had a good sleep.
There.
And now they're all clean, ready
Yeah.
for their adventure. That's their towels. Yep. Beautiful.
Now we shall get her princess. This is my baby's towel.
Wow, she's super dry. Oh, the horse is having a shower now.
Yeah.
It's good.
What's there?
Good idea.
No, that's me. That one. Oh, no.
Nice and gentle. That's it.
To there. To.
Hello down there.
Let's go to the fair.
Doing that thing I do every day. I make lunch, food, clean kitchen surfaces, wash dishes, you know. I think Bodie's coming down the stairs actually today. She was upstairs playing more houses and stuff. Lunch, Thursday done. Empty plates. Bodie's got a butterfly tail. My friend is running late, so that's fine. That gives me more time to tidy up. It's dance class today, but I don't think I'm going to go again. I'm definitely feeling better, but only yesterday it was hurting again. But it doesn't take much to do it, and dance class is super intensive. It's alright dancing here for 5 minutes in the morning, but doing an hour and a half of super intense dancing, I don't think I could even gently do that.
Oh my God, it's on.
Oh, you got it on, that's good, that's what you wanted.
Oh.
Wow, that's fast.
There. And that's done.
He's very clever. You're tidying up there. Excellent. Good job. You're putting them in a paper bag. Is that where we keep dolls and stuff? No, but because yes, we've got a whole wee colony going on here. Look, there's wee people living back there and everything. It's like our very own little people.
This is a new house.
That's their new house.
Look, that's the kid.
Well, that was fun. I just dropped my friend at the train station there. I'm glad I decided I wasn't going to go to dance class tonight. Actually, when Johanna arrived, I bent over to move a welly boot out her way and my chest really hurt. And I was like, uh-oh. So, yes, a gentle walk to the train station and back. And that wasn't quite so gentle. I kind of left Bruce with two screaming children. They loved having Johanna there. They didn't want her to go. And they were very upset when I ran out the door to take her to the train station. They wanted to come, but I wanted some peace for a whole 5 minutes with Johanna. The cherry blossom looks much nicer from this side. You can really see it. Don't know if the camera picks it up. But from our side of the house, you don't see it quite so much. Oh look, there's children. Oh, sad Gemma. Bodie with a pram on her. Okay, I have some insulin for Gemma. Can I leave that with you, Danetta? Would that be okay? Here we go. We have dinner ready for the girls, so insulin and dinner. Which is looking not too bad, actually. Dishwasher's empty. Dinner stuff, that's alright. Some salad and pasta for the girls tonight. That's what they requested. Happy children! Hello, happy children. How are you doing? You're so welcome. Look, a dinner they approve of: pasta, salad, and well, fruit, and a yogurt. I'm drinking your juice with a spoon. Enjoy. Should we guess the carbs? I think that's a good meal to play in your channel. So we've just been doing a tidy because we had the whole village out, didn't we? Everything's out, but it's all going away now. We've got Bodie out the cupboard. Don't eat the minion. Minion out your mouth. Alrighty, excellent. Because outside looks like this. And the kids want to go out and play in it. You might not make it out though. They might not make it out. Because right now they're both in cupboards. But yes, we're going to tidy this up. The kids might play outside, we'll see. Got the room tidied. They made it into the rain.
It's a bit wet, isn't it?
So we decided it's probably a good idea to throw the kids in the bath. I think they're a wee bit wet, what do you think? It's a bit crazy out there, isn't it?
You're a bit wet there, buddy. You're a bit wet. I think so.
Right, time for bath. Bath is run. Come on, you two. I like Bodie's trousers around your ankles. That's just an added dimension to the look.
Oh, come on. Right, inside.
The children are off our bath now. We'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye from the morning.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm just going to go run away.